We are the Aloha Travel Couple and welcome back to our van build. So one thing that's kind of junk about living in Hawaii is the fact that shipping takes forever. But finally our car seats came in. Now this may not seem the most exciting van video that we're gonna have because we're simply installing car seats, but that's actually kind of the point. We want it to be real, we want it to be raw, and we wanted to show you every single step of our van build, including the things that might seem mundane or tedious. So the reason why we want to get car seats is because we're very outdoorsy, and we wanted to protect the seats from sand, dirt, sweat, and of course, the inevitable dog hair. Just as we thought we were almost done with the first car seat, we realized we got a little ahead of ourselves and completely missed the arm loop. When we said we were newbies and never built a van before, we were not lying. Also, we're very lucky that Alex's family has lots of tools for us to borrow because they used to be in construction, but if you don't have access to any, just keep in mind that buying a lot of tools will also drive up the price of your van build. Now, these seat covers are supposed to be universal for vans, which means that it should be able to fit the Ford Transit and the Ram Promaster as well. So if you're building out any one of these vans and looking for seat covers, I definitely recommend these and I have it linked in our bio. They're lightweight, they're waterproof, and they're also really affordable. I think for both covers it was about $40. And that was it for today as we wait for everything else to get shipped in. So stay tuned!